Guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. There are few more theory questions which I'll discuss in the today's video. First is when the product method of interest on drawing is applied. Interest on drawing is normally calculated on the basis of average or on the basis of that is at the beginning of the month, end of the month, or at the quarter basis or half year basis. But if in the question you are given unequal amounts withdrawn by the partner, that their drawings are different. Their drawings means one partner, suppose at the beginning of the April 1, he is withdrawing rupees 1500. On let's say on the 1st of May, he is withdrawing 1800, and then that is on 1st of July he is withdrawing 2500. So the different amounts are withdrawn and at the different dates. Either both of them are required or any one of them. In that very condition, the product method of interest on drawing is applied. Now which drawings are considered for interest on drawings? ठीक है, when we have to apply the interest on drawing rate, then which drawings should be used? That is the drawings against profit. You must know there are two types of drawings which partner made in the business. One is drawing against capital, second is drawings against profit. Drawings against capital, which is a permanent withdrawal of capital, will not be considered for the calculation of IOD. That would be considered for the calculation of IOC. That is the third question. Okay. So if in the question you are given that partner has withdrawn rupees such and such against his salary, commission, and profits, then that drawings would be used for the calculation of IOD. Now, question third I have referred already, so I am coming to the question fourth now. How do the journal entry for interest on drawing affect the partner's capital account? As you know, the drawings reduce the balance of the partner in the business. Same way, IOD is a charge on the partner and income to the partnership firm. So it would reduce the partner's claim in the business, partner's capital in the business. So what would be the journal for that? Partner's capital account debit, because capital is reducing. Capital normally carries credit balance, and if it is to increase it will be credited. Now it is reducing, that's why it is debited to interest on drawings. Okay. Now, the fifth question is there. The firm has given a guarantee of profits to a partner. Will he get the guaranteed profit in case of the loss to the firm? Surely he will get. Whenever a partner is given a guarantee, that amount is payable to him even if the firm makes a loss or the firm's profits are less than the guaranteed amount. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.